Next, we'll demonstrate flying bird stitch. You can see two patterns here. Let's demonstrate this one first. Using 4 strands of color number 5. Come up at upper left. Take down at upper right. Don't pull tight. Hold with finger. Prevent movement. Come up between crossing threads. Pull up, creating V shape. See this line below. Take down at end of lower line, creating small wing. Don't stitch too close here. Leave small space. Let's demonstrate again. Come up, take down. Don't pull tight. Come up at middle. Take down at line end, creating small wing. Come up at upper left. Take down at upper right. Don't pull tight. Come up at middle. Take down. Perfect stitch for small decorative details. Pattern looks like small birds. Very lively. Let's look at right pattern. These stitch connected together. Let me demonstrate. Using 4 strands of color number 12. Again, come up at upper left. Take down at upper right. Don't pull tight. Come up at middle point. Pull thread here. Take down below. After pulling thread here, extend thread longer. Take down at lower position, creating connected pattern. Come up from left again. Take down at right. Come up next to stitch at middle, creating seamless connection. Following these steps, complete remaining pattern. Final stitch, along outer edge. Take down here. Let's look at the result.